Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, my peeps, dancehall artist Bounty Killer for the past, couple of days, ever since this beef with Massacre and whoever starting. People has been saying he's bad mind Vybz Kartel and all of this stuff. It's a massive. So I'm just repost a video of this rat saying, oh, bad mind trap in. You know what I mean? Because say one Kevin and Bounty Killer son, some riffraff on TikTok and things. You see what I say? But I would just like to tell the people, Bounty Killer wants to be a bad man, not a businessman. So him not entitled to nothing when Vybz Kartel left him surroundings. You see what I say? And people have to stop act like say Kartel wasn't making Bounty Killer money as well. You see, but we know say Kartel write over 15 #1 songs for Bounty Killer. We know Bounty Killer don't write his own rhymes, my people. He even said that himself. You see what I say? So a lot of people around Bounty Killer, Mavada, the Shams, them, the whole of them give Bounty Killer ad song for sing and things, and them benefiting as well. So it's a mutual agreement. And this is why Bounty Killer is signing people now, because him see the value of what he missed out on. Cause all the millions Kartel I make know him could I get a piece of food off it, you see what I say. But nevertheless, let's hear what go on front to go on, because I'm not gonna lie to you, man. You alliance people need to stop glazing Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? Because if the war is not between Vybz Kartel and Massacre, all Vybz Kartel concubine Vanessa Bling coming out of that thing, and side chick Lisa Hyper and all of this stuff. Right.
How bad mind dropping? You all must have memory lost or something.
You know, boxing there, my people. So watch this. I want to chat about something, see? And we can call that little video here show and tell or talk and tell. You understand? Because basically, you have some people who just come out on the web and show them ignorance and show how illiterate them is. See? Alright, so there's a clash between Tamale and Massacre. Therefore, there's a clash between genocide and Spartans. See? It's not a clash between Gaza. It's not a clash between Alliance. It's a clash between Sparta, see, and the genocide, the crooks. Now, Bounty Killer come out and say, yo, in this basically, what Killer say is, in this clash and genocide, we are saying. See it? Now, all of a sudden, the illiterate Jamaicans, them, I'm not afraid to say this. I know I love Jamaica, I love my culture. See it? But we have some dumb and illiterate people. See? So now, the illiterate, ignorant Jamaicans them now say them a burn out Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer bad mind Vybz Kartel. Now, we not say in a no post where Bounty Killer post where him a disrespect Vybz Kartel. We see Bounty Killer post and a repost some old clippings of him and Massacre. And basically say, me like what me like, and me not like what me not like. Simple. All bad mind drop in at this. You have one illiterate boy. You have one illiterate boy when you one Kevin. You could never have a better name now. One Kevin. Because it's only one of you, because you don't have no sense of illiterate. You know when illiterate people are talking, them loud. Them loud and want cold on everybody. And not even talk like a Jamaican, and talk like some African when they're wearing a back of voice somewhere. We're very illiterate coming at disrespect Bounty Killer and chat. Bro, God, I'm showing you how illiterate and dumb it is. See? Massacre and Tamale a clash. I don't see Kartel come out one time and repost a Tamale song or big up Tamale. That means the Kartel has nothing to do with that. See? But because Killer come and said genocide, crux me I said, in the warrior. Other vex, Now, people, make me remind some people we gone senile of who boss Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer boss Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer boss at least 5 artists were richer than him. Real talk. And Killer up till today never take money from none of them, even though them surpass him financially. And nobody have to say if or what, because we know it's out there to see. I mean, I have to call the name. Everybody who have sense can know that. See? So Kartel come out of the Bounty Killer camp. So Bounty bus Kartel and Kartel was able to bust Tommy Lee. Then people who forgot are no senile or too no illiterate and not have no sense. Who forgot that in the heights of Bounty Killer and Beenie Man clash, Kartel this Bounty Killer by go parring and hanging and take side with Beenie Man. And remember or what? Also within the same time, Kartel allowed Tommy Lee to release multiple diss track aiming at Bounty Killer. Wallard. A member only no member or what? So how bad mind coming at this when Killer say genocide, me I say I mean now say Sparta cause Sparta a demon. How bad mind dropping? I remember only no remember or only just ignorant and illiterate. All of uno, most of uno when I say I endorse and I big up and I push Kartel and I put on a life on line. Kartel not even a pay on no mind, you know, bro. So on the look so, bro, that little fishy boy there. I never see him come on TV or come on social media or whatever and highlight no woman and big up no woman and big up and show say him have a girlfriend. Him does a suck off Kartel private straight. I hope I paid somebody page and me hear you had this Bounty Killer and them hear you come back the next day and I talk about say Kartel call you and tell you if you give Bounty Killer a pass. Actually you live a friend you feel like people can't come page you same way. Because you feel like the system of America will more prone to protect you. Remember on a circle, bro. Saying all of you illiterate idiot. You forgot do no research and be realistic. Saying not even Kartel himself now come out and I say nothing bad about Bounty Killer. But uno look a faggot and fish. Because you want Kevin, it's like if Kartel shit in your mouth. You still a say Kartel and still a say this, that. Come on, bro. Be realistic and stop chat off your mouth. Somebody so compare, you know yourself. And sometimes you just step on this and chat and you know nothing, bro. But people, I just want to come out come say that, bro. One side genocide. Who want vex. And who feel like we got climb on one rock and chuck off. Fuck wrong, who don't know. But bad mind. Who bad mind like them? Who bad mind like them? Or the man we bust una make una rich and I call him bad mind, and the man used to give una money. And when you get all wealthy and richer than the man never take the money from una. So how bad mind drop in? Yo, me not care which school them say you go. You can't read alright. You want Kevin, you can't read alright. You're dopey bat. You cannot read alright. You don't have no intelligence. And I pay ignorant idiot follow you to and praise you and tell you say you do right when I be a fucker you do. The people, one side, genocide, alliance, raga. Even Gaza will big up same way. Saying, because music we love, we don't love man. We love music and we don't love man, bro. Saying, so I'm going to chuck off, bro. I'm in a blood clot like, I want to like a fight.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, me not watch one Kevin and them people there, because you know we're original Gaza vloggers, so me no need for watch them thing that you see me. But we say Bounty Killer disrespect in Gaza nation in them comment section. I call them fish and all type of things. And we know say, you know, him son them fish out. You see me, I say, and bounty fish out too, and I do it on a girl paid and all of them things, you see me? You know what I mean? And white lines going through his minds and all of this stuff, you know. So, wanna stick around, we're gonna do a review on that. You see my say, so subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest one. Bless.